Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. That video is based on how the different type of accounting equation will be created and how can be derived in the new equations. Business start on the owner's idea. Idea create and then they are trying to build a business. Business cannot build easy. It required the resources to establish the business process. Example wise, we are concerned about the production factory, which include the machine, land, building, vehicles, cash, and stock and blah blah things. Those resources we are identify as the assets. Assets is generated on the, not in heaven. It's an outcome of investment. Investment we can identify it as a liability. All assets amount is impact on the total investment. Reason of that build a simple connection as well as asset build on all investment. Then we can give the equation as asset equal liabilities. Investment happen on two parties. It's a owner related investment and other parties investment. Owner related investment wise initial funds created and additional expansion wise they are concerned about to continuous funding. Bank finance institute creditors into investment still remaining under liabilities. Final impact wise able to be identified on a related transaction identifier under liability. According that equation expansion wise we can create a new equation asset equal liability plus equity. That's asset equal equity plus liabilities. This is represent the basic relationship between owners. Basically, we know that owner invests for a business and owner concerned about the return of business. Business return wise provide a profit. The data wise we can create a equity related connection as a equity equal owners things plus profit. Then we able to create embedded those details into previous equation just like asset equal owners equity plus profit plus liabilities. This equation wise we are concerned about equity related profit we are separately identified. We discussed details about the profit. Profit is the difference between income and expenses. Equation wise we can represent as a profit equal income minus expenses. Asset equal equity plus income minus expenses plus liability. Income minus expenses in the previous equation we denote as a profit. According to that profit created element, we denote in separately. Simple mathematical wise, we know that minus value able to transfer in the other side and then equation represent as asset plus expenses equal equity plus income plus liabilities. Finally, equation we create asset plus expenses equal equity plus income plus liabilities. Under asset, we can identify type of assets, building, machine stocks, vehicles, cash, and debtors. Expenses wise, purchase, utilities, depreciation expenses, maintenance, tax, and interest. Equity wise, investment and withdrawals, and income wise, sales, rent, and interest. Liability wise, we can identify loan, leasing, and credits and overdraft facilities. Built-in stock plus cash equal investment plus sales plus loan and lease. Built-in plus stock plus cash we can identify under a asset and investment wise we can identify under equity and income wise we know that as is a main income of business and loan and lease is a come under liabilities. Stock plus cash plus purchase equal investment minus withdrawal plus sales plus loss. Stock and cash element of assets and purchase is the main expenses of business. Investment and withdrawal is element of equity, but withdrawal is reduced equity amounts. Reason of that we put a minus mark. Sales is the main income and loan is a come under a liability. According to that concept, different combination wise, we able to create a plenty of equation. If you enjoy with my channel and take some knowledge from that, please subscribe my channels and thank you.